Welcome to the breathtaking world of Todtnau Waterfall, nestled amidst the enchanting Black Forest in Germany. Today, we embark on a mesmerizing journey to explore this natural wonder and uncover its hidden treasures. At Pentecost 2023, a 450-meter-long suspension bridge was inaugurated over the Todtnau Waterfall, which spans approximately 120 meters above the valley floor. By the way, the bridge itself weighs 730 tons, and the walkway alone weighs 55 tons. The adventure begins with a scenic hike along the picturesque trails that lead us to Todtnau Waterfall. As we walk through the Black Forest, we are greeted by the tranquil ambience and the refreshing scent of nature. As we get closer, we hear the thunderous roar of the cascading waters, a sight that evokes awe and wonder. Let's venture closer, shall we? As we make our way down the rugged path, we can feel the cool mist on our faces, invigorating our senses and connecting us to the raw power of nature. It's a truly immersive experience. The Todtnau Waterfall stands tall, reaching a height of 97 meters, making it one of the highest waterfalls in Germany. From the designated viewpoint, we marvel at the mesmerizing spectacle before us. The force of the waterfall creates a misty curtain that dances with the sunlight, forming ethereal rainbows that add to its magical allure. Todtnau Waterfall isn't just a magnificent waterfall. It's a sanctuary for a rich and diverse ecosystem. As we look around, we see the forest teeming with life, from the vibrant flora to the curious wildlife that call this place home. Our journey to Todtnau Waterfall comes to an end, but the memories we've made and the beauty we've witnessed will stay with us forever. Remember, in a world filled with wonders, it's crucial that we cherish and protect the treasures nature has gifted us. Thank you for joining us on this adventure to Todtnau Waterfall. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to stay tuned for more awe-inspiring journey. Until next time, keep exploring and appreciating the wonders of our world.